See? Montage! Works every time!
We crashed.
Yeah, but we crashed on Genosha!
It seems our flight was a little more than the X-chumps could handle.
Ooh, are they dead? Let's gently poke the furry one and find out. Oh, Wolvie, time to wake up. Rise and shine, Stubby. Wake up. Up and at 'em. Fine, then. That's for all the clown folks. That's for never calling just to say hi. I guess he's not waking up.
Curious.
Looks like we're flying solo, boys. It's as if the next section was designed with that in mind. Wow, is that a sentinel? Sure is. Impressive, right?
You can see how they could destroy this entire island, populated with powerful mutants.
Here comes Sinister's lackeys. Guess they saw our Blackbird's, landing?
Wasn't exactly subtle.
Snicket! What the hell was that? Seriously, what is that shaking? It slices, it dices, it chicken fried rices! It's getting closer! Ahem! See the bars on the left? Right, they're full. Use them! This is the part where I kick your ass. Would it kill you to do a better job killing them? Not this time! I'm pretty beat up here! I dare you to try that again. Predictable! Oh man, zoom in on Tubbo up there. Stop dropping my camera, player. Thing was expensive. Now get up.
Holy shit, that guy is big.
It's not what it looks like. Dude, is your primary means of transportation belly flops? That can't be efficient. What, did you not think that was gonna blow up? You picked the wrong time to get tough, tons of fun. I can't teleport yet! Kill you to do a better job killing them? Where are we anyway?
The island of Genosha.
I'm pretty sure it's some kind of timeshare for mutants.
Or the site of one of the worst mutant massacres in history.
Yeah, no. I'm sticking with timeshare. Look, more people that want us dead. Ooh, and Gaines, that means we're headed in the right direction. Hey, numbnuts, you do remember which one's the shoot button, right? Try not to embarrass me. bigger battery for this thing. Was sick. I should autograph his face.
Look at his weapon. We want it.
Oh, that sounded like boom. Can't teleport yet. Maybe now. Charge! Welcome to Loserville. Population, you. Cable? Hey, man out of time. What are you doing here?
We haven't seen him since our run in the comics together.
Oh, I love reunions.
Wade, I need you to listen closely. I've time traveled from the future to bring you a dire warning about...
Oh, God, here he goes again. He's not here 10 seconds before he starts boring us with his dire warning from the future crap.
Sinister has knocked out the X-Men by broadcasting...
We may want to pay attention. This could explain a critical plot point.
The survival of Earth entirely depends on... which all hinges on you, Wade. Now here's the critical part.
It's so boring.
Damn it, Wade!
Oh, man, did that hurt. So, we give Cable the slip?
Looks like he left a note.
What does it say?
Idiot. Meet me at the north end of the city.
What? Who the hell is Cable to give us orders in our game?
P.S. If you don't arrive within 1 hour, you'll miss the incredibly large-breasted...
Naked woman who claims to be your biggest fan?
Oh, don't fall for that one
But
again.
what if Cable means it this time? We can't take that chance. Large-breasted naked fan lady, we're on our way. Pommel horse! Now with ninja slice and dice attack. Hey, what's your blood type? Ready? Fight! Special delivery! Hey, you guys see a cute girl walk by here who seems like she might be into a dude who's horribly disfigured, yet great in bed? You see, I set my gun to perforate. A lot of these window lickers look the same. Suppose they're related?
Could be clones.
Or brothers? They're gonna be shy a few plate settings next Christmas. You look like you needed some air. Would it kill you to do a better job killing them? Two of these assholes? I can't teleport yet. Come on. This ain't a paintball, Skipper. All right, if I was a hot fangirl, where would I be? Probably someplace less infested with bad guys. Good point. Let's make our way up. You in the chest, I'm sorry. I'm aiming for your crotch.
Now give me all your lunch money!
For my first date with a fangirl, should we do Italian or Mexican?
Mexican? Duh.
Good call. Good thing bullets are cheap. What? They're not cheap? deedle, deedle, deedle. Holy flying dudes, that dude can fly. Cha-ching! This guy is fast. Try using lock-on to keep a beat on him. Now I have a machine gun. Oh, ho, ho! Thing doesn't look like it takes VHS. Let's see if we can find something to put in here. Put in. Oh, it just never gets old. You know what I'm saying? See these? These are bullets. I need these. I will never forgive you for this. This looks important. Yoink!
Hey, aren't you gonna make a joke about us putting our thing in that thing?
That's too easy. What's the sound of one robotic arm clapping?
Dubstep?
That hole is prime jumping material.
I think they call that a glory hole.
Must be getting closer to Fangirl. You smell the perfume too? I thought she would smell better, to be honest. Think we're dressed well enough to meet our #1 fangirl?
Skin-tight bodysuit? Check.
Is that her?
Lo behold!
#1 fangirl is hot!
I'd ask what that was about, but I don't want to know. Time is short. We need to get you to Magneto's old citadel across the island.
Stupid fantasy!
Don't worry, we'll land a real girl someday. This is our game, after all.
Wade, are you listening? Don't even bother with that security tower. Sinister is up there, broadcasting his...
Whoa, hold up. Mr. Sinister is up there? As in the S-hole who killed that other A-hole who was my contract? One side, Summers. I got me some business to finish.
Damn it, Wade, stop! We don't have time to mess with the security towers.
And the crowd goes wild! Draw, cowboy! I am shooting you! Joy! Bullets! I'm Wade Wilson, and I approve this message. Next! Oh, would it kill you to do a better job killing them? Well, that one really rang my bell. I hate cooldowns. My bullets, mine! No, he takes -5 for damage. Wow, you You are one lucky guy, because that would have taken most people's heads clean off.
Come on,
This is the part where I kick your ass.
Damn it, Wade! What the hell are you doing?
Ah, it's about time you joined the party, Summers.
You've drawn the attention of every enemy in the area.
Outstanding! We could use a workout. Wow, Summers! That gun of yours is awesome! You gotta let me try it.
Forget it, Wade. It'll be too heavy for you to even lift.
Susie Selfish! Did you learn to share in kindergarten? Out of ammo. Pummel horse! Ooh, shiny! God, I hate waiting. With ninja slice and dice attack. Oh, it just never gets old. You know what I'm saying?
Damn it, Wade. This is no challenge.
That was sick. Oh, I should sign my work. That was fun. Let's do it again.
Wade, I need to return to the future and finish fighting a battle that you pulled me away from. Wait here until I get back so we can form a plan.
Why would we wait when we could just finish the game right now?
Let's go kick Sinister's ass before he gets back. Summers will be so proud. Now these should come in handy.
Now what do we do with this? Well, we should open it.
We could win $1 billion. Spin it to win it. Oh.
Magnetic apocalypse? That can't be good.
That game was a total bust. Whatever. Won't keep us from that douche nozzle Sinister.
Nobody takes our contract. These platforms don't feel very stable.
Your mom doesn't feel very stable. All right, time to make my own luck. $1 billion, here we come. What? A cow? Nice try, Wheel. There are no cows on Genosha. What the hell? Almost there. It's time to make Sinister pay for...
Pay for what? Following the script?
The script says we go kill him, so let's get to it. All right, $1 billion! Enough is enough! Cliffhanger! How profound! Shit, this storm is really picking up. All right, Sinister. Time to pay the and what the hell happened to you?
That looks very uncomfortable.
You,
Me?
Deadpool, you repulsive, putrid mutate. Destroying this tower will do nothing to stop my plans to instill genetic perfection upon this world. Nothing you do will stop my master plans.
Wait. Are you stuck in there?
No, that would be ridiculous.
Oh, so then you wouldn't mind if I played with this?
Wait, what are you doing? No, don't touch that!
I don't know about you, but...
Gosh, mother! Stop touching that! Ow! You bloody fingers!
Wait! What does this one do? Huh? Oh, dang it time! Hey, Summers! Was that the big problem you needed help with? Because I just took care of it. Like a boss!
Huzzah.
Wade, that wasn't...
Seriously, roll credits. We're done here.
That wasn't Sinister! That was a clone!
Damn, Summers, what'd you have for breakfast? Smells like tacos.
You like tacos, Wade?
Oh, you know, I know this hot taco lady, Samantha. Oh, she makes the best.
Wade, what if you could never eat one of Samantha's tacos? Ever again?
What you talking about, Summers?
Mr. Sinister is going to kill Samantha, destroy all her tacos, and everyone else on this planet, unless you stop him.
Shit just got real.
Indeed.
So, we going back-to-back Crane style on this one?
No, I can't stay. I'm fighting my own battles in the future, all of which hinge on what you do here and now. Anyway, the real Mr. Sinister is holed up on Magneto's old citadel on the far side of the island. Easily a day's walk, so we'd better...
Fuck walking. Get ready for Plan Awesome!
If you insist on me building this thing, then I'll need 2 parts. My readings show the first one is that way.
Muchos chimichangas, amigo! Yo, Summers! Thought you said this was the way to go. Door's locked. What the hell, Summers?
I learned it by watching you, all right?
Are we sure this plan is going to work?
Yeah. Cable can build anything if we just get him the parts. He can build sex robots? Remind me to ask. I know! I can't believe you're about to fight me This floor is filthy! Aha! That sentinel part thingy we need.
Great. Let's get it.
What's with the big hands?
Sentinels. They tore this island apart. Killed millions.
Yee, don't be such a downer. Okay, let's find a thing to put this thing in. What's up? Hey, more bad guys. Hey, what's your blood type? This will not end well for you. Yay, we got it!
Let's plug it in.
It slices and dices and chicken fried rices. Predictable. You. Hey, maybe do it slower next time.
Nice job.
Ooh, let's pull some strings. Sweet. Let's get this piece of crap back to cable.
Why do we need this again?
Would it kill you to do a better job killing them? Yo, Cable! Found the first part! Woohoo!
Excellent. You're one step closer to your demise. There is another part I need before we can get started.
Oh, ye of little faith.
You should be able to find it north of here. Now get your ass moving!
Two parts? Really? Hey, Rome wasn't built in a day. We will crush you! Weakling! It slices and dices and chicken fried rices! Pummel horse! Who are you trying to hit? You're no match! Snick it! Weakling! Spread it out! Wow, this is really, really freaky. I could swear I know you. There's the other sentinel part Cable needs! Ah! I'm so excited! I hate cooldowns. This ain't a paintball, Skipper. Hey, it's our favorite power cell. Yes! Deadpool 3, bathrooms 0. Would it kill you to do a better job killing them? I am shooting you! How convenient. Oh yeah, you look like you need a beating. It is I, a well-compensated establishment provocateur. Neener, neener. Another power cell! Let's get back to the Sentinel arm cannon and have some fun. like you brought a gun to a giant robot arm cannon fight. We've got everything we need to execute my super amazing awesome plan. Let's get back to Cable. Looks like we rolled a random encounter. Now with ninja slice and dice attack. I can't teleport yet. Try again. Need some salt? Nah. Nope, can't teleport yet. Summers, here's the last part you need. Now let's roll out.
Wrong franchise, buddy.
Wade, this has got to be the dumbest idea you've ever had. The risk is considerable. This is my...
Great, Cable, thanks awesome, bye. See you in graphics.
Damn it, Wade!
Yo, dog, I heard you like boots. So I put my boots in this boot so I can stomp you while I stomp you. I told Cable this shit would work. This is freaking awesome. If he's from the future, why doesn't he go back in time and tell himself to stop being such a tool?
Good boy. Should have known this was gonna work before we did.
Ouch! Nah, it's cool. We totally meant to do that.
Yeah, we're gonna call bullshit.
Did the plan also include getting the attention of every baddie in the area? Hey, bad guys! Time out for a sec. Need to fix our boot. Yeah, this is gonna end well. Come on, come on, come on! Button mash something. There we go. Oh, that worked out a little better. Random ouch! Ow! Random pain! Things still going according to plan? Don't look at me! This was all Cable's idea!
We told him this was a bad plan.
Shit! Hey! I think I'm getting the hang of this!
Yeah, no. I don't think so.
See? Best plan ever! Yeah, we told Cable this is a good plan.
Flawless execution, perfect timing. One of our finest moments. I did poop a little. All part of the plan.
Sure were a lot of expensive setups in that level. Hope Peter's okay with the budget.
Budget? Oh, we'll show him budget. Yeah, watch this! Hey, there's Rogue! flying just like us.
Flying right at us.
Deadpool, look out!